Hi, this is Jared Dees from thereligionteacher.com. This word incarnation is really significant in our faith as Christians. We say in the Nicene Creed that Jesus was incarnate of the Virgin Mary, by the Holy Spirit, incarnate of the Virgin Mary. The incarnation refers to God becoming man. So in the carnation means body, or in the flesh. Because what Jesus is, who Jesus is the Son of God. Jesus is both divine and human. So not half and half, but fully divine and fully human. God became man. In the Gospel of John, it says the Word became flesh. So why is that important for us to understand? Why is that important for our faith? It's because everything resides upon this idea that God isn't some distant being unconnected to us, but God became one of us. God took on human flesh. Why? To save us. For our salvation, to be with Him in heaven, to know His love. God gave His only begotten Son so that we can have salvation. God loved us. He so loved the world that He gave His Son. And what did Jesus do during His life? He modeled holiness, particularly taking up His cross and telling us also to take up our own crosses and follow Him. Jesus was both divine and human. We are fully human. But by the incarnation, we can partake in the divine nature. God became man so that man could become God. That's what the incarnation is all about. How can we be connected to God? Well, through Jesus Christ, the Son of God, who became one of us, became like us in all things but sin. That's what this idea of incarnation means. Go make disciples. God bless.